Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a very important concept in SQL, that is conditional statements. We call them as case when statements in SQL. Okay. Now I am assuming or creating a one table for doing some practice. Okay. See, I'm considering an employee table and creating the employee table on the basis of different employee ID, employee name, age, department, and salary. Okay. Now I'm creating a table with PMP name, okay, and executed successfully. Now I am inserting values into employee table, I mean EMP table. Okay. Now you can see this statement also executed, right? Now if you see the table, select a star from EMP, you can see the table. Yeah, this is the table. Now you can see we have employee details of employee ID, employee name, and their age and their department and respective salaries. Okay. Now what we are going to do, these conditional statements are just like as if condition in our programming language. Now as and when if condition is exist, I mean true, then the inner logic has to be uh, works, right? So it has to uh, execute the inner query, I mean the inner logic, as and when if condition is true. Similarly in SQL also there is if, I mean conditional logics are there, like we use case when statements. Okay, we will start writing those things. Okay, like I would say case when, I mean we need to write some condition here. Condition, I mean it could be like any column equal to any value or any string. It's all depends upon that particular column, right? I mean case, this is the situation when, as and when this condition is true. Condition, it could be equal, it could be greater than, whatever it could be, like as and when this condition is true, then we have to return output. It could be a string or it could be a value or it could be anything. It depends upon our requirement. Okay, as, and this is the condition, right? If condition is same as if condition. Now if that condition is not true, then what we are doing in programming language, we will be using else condition, right? Similarly here also, when this condition is true, then these are the values are any our required outputs. Okay, executed outputs. Now if not, I mean this condition is not satisfied, then it will go with else condition and return any string or value or anything. It could be, or it could be depends upon our requirement. Now you have to end it. This is the proper syntax of case when statements. Now you can assign this as any name, like we are giving any column names, right? It could be anything. Okay, this is the case when statements. Okay, let's see. I hope you understand, right? The syntax case when condition. You have to mention condition. If this condition is satisfying, then you have to enter the, output values. I mean whatever you want. It's all depends upon requirement. And if not, I mean this condition is not satisfying, then you have to go with else condition, and it is either string or value. It could be anything. Now you have to end it. This is the proper syntax of conditional statements in SQL. Okay, let's start with the practice. Okay, now we have a employee table. Now my requirement is to find out, we have a age, right? Different age. Now I need to know age group. I mean, if less than 30 age, it could be engage. I mean, young people. Now 30 to 50, it could be old age, or if anything, any value that we can assign. Okay, or if it is greater than 60, then we can consider them as senior citizens, right? Now I want that particular thing. I mean, I want another column. It has to represent the age group of that particular employee. I mean, those particular employees comes under young age or teenage or old age or senior citizen. Like this, I need. So what I have to do, I have to return all columns as well as another column. That is when, I mean, as and when the condition is satisfied, then it could be under that particular age group. So that is how we are going to write the logic. Okay, next, see, on the basis of what we are going to check the condition, that is if the age group, I mean, if we are checking with age, if this age is particularly a certain number, then that comes under this particular age group. Okay, assuming I am, this is what my requirement, I mean, less than 21 is engage, I mean, or we could say teenage are greater than or equal to 21 and less than 30. These people are young people, engage, I mean young people. These are teenage people. Okay, likewise we can assign any value. It's all our requirement. I mean, we can define anything. Okay, it could be, the values could be changing. Hmm? Let's see, if age is greater than or equal to 30 and less than 60, then these people are comes under old age people. Okay, otherwise, next one, I mean, greater than or equal to 60, we call them as senior citizens. Likewise, I need age group. Now we don't have age group, right? Now by using conditional statements, we will extract that column. Okay, let's see. Okay, now cell E dot star represents all columns. Now I want another column, right? That is age group column. Now what I am doing, I am writing a logic. I mean, case when statements I am writing. Okay, case when age, what I have represented, age is less than 21, then then those are teenage, right? This is the string, that is what we are returning. As and when this condition is satisfied, then it is the output. Okay, next, else nothing. Okay, else zero, you can assign anything else. Then what you have to do, you have to end. Now you can assign this as age group, right? Age group. Now we are not ended up. Now what we have to do, we are just returning only one age limit. I mean, age is less than 21. Then what we have to do, we have to return another conditions like age is greater than or equal to 21 and age is less than 30. Then those people are called as young people. Okay, else we don't need any else because of it is a string, right? So we can end up like this. If that is a value, we can else we will go with else condition. Now we'll end up with next, when age is greater than or equal to 30 and age is less than 60, then those people are old people, right? Okay, end it. we will use end at the end condition, not here I think. Okay, now we'll see else. Else, what is the other age? It is just the 60. What is the other age? Else, that is greater than 60 only. These people are senior citizens. Now we have to end it and as age group. Okay, let's see. And we are selecting from employee table, and we have to assign it now. Now you can see this. See, we are just grouping them. I mean, if this age is less than something, then will be comes under that particular age group. So we will use some order by age group. Now you can see old people, senior citizen, teenage, young people. So this is the age. Hope you understand. These are the condition that we applied here. Okay, and you should use end at the end, not after this. Okay, this is just one condition. This is another condition. We will be using end at after applying all conditions. Okay, I hope this is understandable, right? Now you can also do. Now we have a group age, right? Now you can also group this particular salary. I mean, if salary is less than 10,000, it could be low level. If salary is 10,000 to 20,000, it is medium level. If it is greater than 20,000, then that is comes under high level salaries. Now we can do that as well. Okay. Now see case when salary is less than 10,000, then that is low level. Okay. When salary is greater than or equal to 10,000 and salary is less than 20,000, then it is medium level. Okay, when salary is greater than 20,000, then it is high level. Else we can written it as extreme level. Okay, now you have to end it as salary levels. We can assign any name. Now if you execute this one, you can see these are the salary levels. It is on the basis of this salary. If it is less than 10,000, it is a low level salary, right? You can observe here. If it is a 10,000, it is a salary in between 10,000 to 20,000, it is a medium level salary. Likewise, you can observe here. If it is greater than 20,000, it is high level salary, right? This is high level, that is 21,000. Likewise, we can write anything. I mean, these are the conditional statements are very important in SQL. Okay, and very important concept in SQL. Okay, I hope this concept is helpful on this. Okay, and thanks for watching.